You are listening to 60 Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. The First Amendment protects people's right to form their own opinions, including those about politics and religion. It also protects the right to communicate those opinions to others. These rights would not mean very much if the government had the power to prevent people from getting together to express their views. To petition means to ask the government to take action or change its policies, or to ask for a redress of grievances. That is, for the government to grant a remedy for a perceived wrong. The people's freedom to assemble and to petition the government enhances the First Amendment protection of political rights. A related right that has been recognized by courts is the right to associate. People are free to associate with others who share their opinions. These associations include political groups, church groups, professional associations, social clubs, and community service organizations. The right to associate freely protects all such groups. That's all for today's podcast. Thank you to our sponsor, T-Mobile, the leader in 5G.